Hi students, next topic is navigation of class model. We know that what is mean by class model. It is a collections of object and their relationship. Okay, here next part of class models is navigation of class model. What is navigation of class model? Navigation express the behavior of navigating among classes, means it's going to express us the what is the behavior of navigating among the classes. Okay, means it's going to tell the what is the behavior of navigating among the classes. Okay, here next it exercise the model and uncover the hidden flow and omissions, means it's going to uncover the hidden flows, means which are the flows are hidden, that is uncovered, means that hiddenness will be removed. Okay, and omissions are overcome. When this will happen, when we can repair the things, and that time this navigation will help for the uncover hidden flaws and omissions. Okay, and here UML incorporates with the navigation. We are going to use one language, that is OCL. What is OCL? Object Constraint Language, means we know that UML, Unified Modeling Language, this going to incorporates, means it's going to incorporates with the language for the navigation is nothing but OCL, nothing but Object Constraint Language. Okay, it contains the features like attributes, operations, simple association, qualified association, association classes, generalization, filters. Okay, these are the come under OCL. We'll discuss what is mean by attributes, what is mean by operation, what is mean by simple association, qualified association, association class, and generalization and filters. Okay, we are going to discuss. Next is OCL construct for traversing class model, means OCL makes for the traversing through class model, means how the OCL will help for the traversing through all over the class model by using attributes, operations, simple association, qualified associations, association classes, generalization and filters. Okay, here what is attribute? This attribute can traverse from an object to an attribute value, means they are telling the attributes, means we know that in class model there are three compartments. First will contain the name of the class or object of the name of the object. Next one is attribute. Next one is operation, means in three compartment, first compartment is reserved for the name of the class or object, second compartment for the attributes, third compartment for the operation. Here attributes, using can navigation we can travel from an object to an attribute value, means here is the object name, means we can travels to attribute also using OCL. Okay, for this syntax is source object followed by a dot and then attribute name. Means there is a syntax for this travels from a object to an attribute value. The syntax is source object followed by a dot and then attribute name. Example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, a credit card account dot maximum credit. Okay, means it's going to takes a credit card account and find the value of maximum credit. Okay, observe this. This is the example they given. You can see that a credit card account, this is the object. Okay, and maximum credit is the attribute. Okay, this is what they given, a credit card account dot maximum credit. You can see that the object is travel to an attribute. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, and can access an attribute for each object in a collection, return a collection of attribute value. This is attribute of OCL. Next, operations. Means we know that the class or object contain the three compartments. First one is for the name of the attributes or a class. Next one is name of the object or a class. Next one is attribute. Next one is operation. We explained already attribute. Now I am explaining the operation parts. Okay, the syntax is the source object or object collection followed by a dot, then the operation. Here also same. Here first we are going to select the source object or object collection and followed by the operation name. Okay, suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು, ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟು, ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ operation name. Like this you are going to write. Same way here also for attribute also, first you are going to name the object name, next dot followed by maximum credit is nothing but attribute. Okay, an operation must be followed by parenthesis even if no arguments. Okay, if there is no arguments also we should followed by parenthesis like this. After writing the operation means they are telling after writing the operation C we should followed by the parenthesis like this. Even though no arguments, argument ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ನಾವು parenthesis ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ. ಓಕೆನಾ, this is the way of writing. Okay, the OCL has special operations that operate on entire collection. Okay, the syntax for collection operation is the source object collection followed by hyphen arrow. Means large arrow is the symbol for entire collection operation, then operation we should write. Okay, I will show the example in next slide. You will come to know what is the meaning of all the construction of OCL like attribute, operation. Okay, simple association. The target end may be indicated by an association in name or a class name. Okay, nothing but target end. ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that may be indicated by association in name or class name. Okay, means they are telling that the simple association, nothing but target end may be indicated by class in name or association in name or class name. We know that
precise,
make more precise traversal means it going to this qualifier makes a more precise traverse means make more detailed traversal. Okay, for example, a credit card account that statement here, and we know that we are going to give the qualifier value in the brackets means here a credit card account. Okay, statement. Okay, statement, and here means they are telling a credit card account dot statement means year to year there is a correction, credit card account to statement, and qualifier or association is mentioned within the square brackets, nothing but this one statement date is mentioned within the square bracket. Okay, this is qualified association. Next one is association class. What is association class? We know that there are two ordinary classes. In between there is a link. For that link with dotted line, we are going with dotted dotted line, we are connected to other class. Okay, these are two normal classes, one two are the normal classes, third is the association class. The association class for the association class, the UML notation is dotted line. Okay, dotted line. Okay, the association class give a link of a association class. You can find the here you can find the constituent object and vice versa. Here means using this association class. Okay, you can find the constituent object means the group of object will be there. Among that object we are going to elect the voting member. Okay, like that using association class you can find the constituent object or vice versa. That is the use of association class with the OCL. Next one is generalization. We know that what is meant by generalization. Generalization is nothing but inheriting. Okay, means inheriting some feature of the superclass to subclasses. Okay, traversive of the generalization hierarchy is simplest for the OCL notation. Nothing but we are going to see the inheriting the feature from superclass to subclasses. Okay, next one is last one for the OCL means filters. Means what is filters? Nothing but we are going to some basis we are going to filter some objects means ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಹೂ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು set one mark means set one marks if they scored 90 out of 100 means I will tell that they are good in studies. Like that, to filter something, we are going to use some operations here. Okay, here there is often need to filter the object in a set means collections object is nothing but class. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ select operation is select operation. Okay, the select operation applies a predict to each element in a collection and returns the elements that satisfy the predict. Okay, a statement that transaction, here this is the collections of, here you can see that this is the collections of object means ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆರೋ ಎಡೆಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 100 rupees ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟು 100ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಸಪೋಸ್ 99 ಇತ್ತು, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, to next class I am going to give the example for OCL construct. Okay, using one diagram we are going to discuss some of the question like this. What transaction occurred for the credit card account with a time interval, the value of transaction were handled by an institution in the last year, and what customer patronized merchant in the last year by any kind of credit card. Like this we are going to discuss means how navigation will occur. We are going to see with an example in next class. Thank you.